Alright, it's another holiday, another project. This time it's a bit of an upgrade for the pie bed. So as you can see behind me up here, I've got the those frames that we got from Audi or Bunnings or somewhere a couple of years ago. They're starting to rust through, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace those and also these ones here with PVC piping, like I did with the other bed. So slightly different design, a little bit more rails to hang cables and string and whatnot to encourage the plants. But first things first, I've got to take all these apart and then get down to Bunnings and buy some bits. So stay tuned. Alright, that's the first one done. Let's take a look. One of the good things about doing something like this, apart from I'll have some better coverage, is that I get a chance to just have a look, see what's going on. So I've already pulled out a bit of grass and weeds. Have a look in here and I can see, yeah, somebody's enjoying the leaves of my spuds, but that's okay. I'm not eating the leaves, so they can. Everything else seems to be doing alright. The irrigation's doing its thing. Although for some reason I have a spud growing in my compost bin. Go work, I figured that out. So anyway, that's one down. I'm gonna go do that one over there. Stay tuned. Okay, and that's the second one done. Again, take the opportunity to have a look, see how things are going. Got some corn is going quite nicely, although something's having a bit of a meal on the leaves, but they're coming up quite nicely. So pulled a few weeds out as well, which is always a therapeutic pastime. So that lot I'm not going to do, and they're all through there. There's the logs there for the mushrooms. I'm not going to put framing over those because I don't think it's necessary, and the capsicums are going quite nicely. So it's just going to be the two bays today. So the next job now is just to measure that up so that I get the right amount of pipe. I've already got an idea on the connectors and stuff I need. I'm going to go get my tape measure and measure this up and then go for a drive. Stay tuned. Alright, just walked out of Bunnings with just about all the connectors I need. I had to improvise on one because they're running out of stock, but I've got to go to the other Bunnings and get more pipe. So let's get this cut and in the car and on our way. Stay tuned. Alright, that's all the pipes more or less cut to length. I've just got to shorten those longer ones when I get home. But anyway, that's it. Now let's go home and start putting this together. Stay tuned. Alrighty, just got back from Bunnings and decided to lay this lot out, I'll show you. And I realised that I have actually underestimated the amount of plastic I need. So this side there's enough piping to do everything. I had this nagging feeling on the way home that something wasn't quite right. But I've laid them out on this side and I have not got enough. So I need, so basically because it's 3 rails per side on each side there for this thing, and then one across to join each side together, and then one going up each side. See, I've got the cross rail there, cross rail there, cross rail there, but no sides. So I've got to get another 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 meters of pipe, and that's a pain because I was hoping to be able to fully assemble this in one hit, but now I'm going to have to go back to Bunnings and get some more. So back to Bunnings we go. Sometimes you just get lucky. And sort of cutting this first one, I haven't got the extra pipe that I thought I was going to need. I think I might not need to. Check it out. So as I was starting to cut this is sideways by the way, on the ground, I've just assembled it. So, but as I was cutting the cross members that are going to go across the bed, I was ending up with these 45 centimeter offcuts, and it suddenly occurred to me, well, if I reduce that to 40 for the risers, instead of the ½ meter or more that I was thinking of, or that I was going to have to make, I don't actually buy more pipe. So that's now complete. And I reckon I may have enough pipe on the other side to do that. So let's put this one on the bay and see what it looks like. Stay tuned. Alright, I made a similar mistake as I made when I made the comb forgetting the cumulative effects of joins. So I got this, I actually measured this short initially. I said 2.7 meters, or even a little shorter than that, 2.6. And I'm actually right up against the compost bin there, but I forgot to allow for the fact that you get a little bit extra on these joins. So the pipes go there and you get this little bit extra each time. Add that up over the end and the son of a gun is overhanging. So it's consistent at least, so I'm going to cut one of these sections short and then it should fit. Let's make this correction and carry on. Alright, 10 centimeters cut off of these ones through here where it's going to be least visible, and that was enough to bring it back into line. So now that we know that's going to be a gotcha that I'm going to have to remember for next time, I'll have to sort of push all them tight, and I'm going to at some point screw those bottom ones down into the wood so that that thing doesn't go anywhere. But that's the first one built. Let's see if that thing with the offcuts carries forward to the other one and whether I've actually got enough plastic to finish this. Stay tuned. Alrighty, that's the second one mostly built and mostly anchored, but as you can see I'm missing crossbar there, crossbar there, crossbar down the end there, another one halfway down, and the riser there. So that's about 4.1 meters worth of pipe I've got to go get, but that's tomorrow or Thursday whenever I get back to this. Stay tuned. Alright, a couple of days later I just got back from Bunnings and cut my pipe up in the car park so I can finish this frame. Let's get into it. Alrighty, that is now done. Everything's in place. I've screwed the frame into the wooden base there so it shouldn't blow away, and I reckon there's enough joins there to keep the thing together when the wind blows. So all I've got to do is just put the netting back on it and the other one, and call it done for this holiday and find something else to do. Catch you next time. See ya. Righto, that's enough about that. You know the drill. Hit the subscribe button and become part of our thriving community. Of course, if you like my videos, give them a big thumbs up and share them if you want, as that helps the channel out. And also hit the bell to get notified when I put up new content. Okay, that's all from me, so stay healthy, keep thinking. As my mum would say, be good, and if you can't be good at it. I'll see you next time.